Empire Tower. Here we go. Let's see if these were also modernized. These elevators are closed. Man, we can still ride this one though. Let me look at this. Oh, they're the tallest ones too. That kind of stinks. All right, we'll ride this one, I guess. I don't think this is its original cab. All right, will this have a good motor? Better than I thought it would be. That startup was incredible. Phone. Got a door hold button. That's interesting. Nice cab. Bump. Oh, all right. Oh. Let's start again.
לא, תרגשם אותי בטיול הזה, הרגתם אותי. אתה זה קשה לשכוף את העגולון הזה, אז צריכה להגיד תודה לאבא.
There you go.
אוקיו.
There's a camera in here, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Wonder why the Empires are being modded. I mean, no, they're like completely off. Look, 30 to 45, but it's not for anybody's use. Anyways, I'm gonna see if I can find more elevators.